Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Shivan Saxena and I welcome you in this wonderful channel, Shivaay Academia. Make it you. Now, in the first two lessons of Vedic Mathematics series, we explored the method Ekadhikena Purvena, and in the second video that was about level 2, we explored an improvised version of Ekadhikena Purvena method. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to introduce an exciting extension. We are going to combine two different sutras, that is Ekadhikena Purvena method and Shunyant. This powerful combination allows us to solve a wider range of problems with a greater speed and accuracy. As we progress, you will notice patterns emerging that make calculations feel more intuitive and less mechanical. The goal is not to just get answers, but to develop a better understanding of number and their relationships. As I say every time, mathematics is exciting, and these methods make it more fascinating. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. Please keep your pen and paper ready with you. Wherever you feel it is important to take down the notes, have a note, and let's get started. So, Ekadhikena Purvena or Shunyant. Ekadhikena Purvena and Shunyant method. So, first we are going to see the steps. We are going to understand the procedure step by step. And then using examples, we are going to master the technique. Steps to be followed. Step 1, take at least two-digit numbers in each intersection of rows and columns. Step 2, while summing the columns individually, convert one of the numbers into a multiple of 10. Step 3, the deficit or excess required to make that multiple of 10 should be added or subtracted from the next number in the same column. Fourth step, whenever the sum of a column exceeds 100, as 100 is a multiple of 10, place a dot on the digit immediately to its left in the preceding column, as done in the improvised Ekadhikena Purvena method. Step 5, repeat the same procedure for the remaining columns. And lastly, combine the column totals to obtain the required sum. Now, as I know, these steps sounds a bit more complicated, but when we are going to solve the examples, the procedure will become or seem to become easier and much more enjoyable. So let's learn through examples. So here we have our first example. 264 add 372 add 597. So I write it like this to make it easier to understand. 264, 372, 597. Adding them up. Now 64 add 72. You can split it like this: 60 plus 4 plus 70 plus 2, which makes it a total of 136. Now 136 more than 100. I put a dot over here. Excess of 136 is 36. Taking it further, 36 add 97 makes it 133. I put a dot over here. Excess of 133 is 33. I write down 33 over here. Moving to the next column. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 at 5, 12. So 1233 is our final answer. Now, I know the numbers are easy. We could have gone through the basic addition method and it would have taken for the users lesser time as it is much more used to. But when this method is helpful if you are practicing it regularly, and when the sum becomes more and more complex, this method works much more efficiently. So let's take a complex example and let's learn how this method unfolds. So here we have much more complex example, that is 112,162 at 360,071 at 42,827 at 175,630. Now let's see how we can break this number. So I can separate the number like this to make the calculations much more easier. I'm adding a zero before 4 because it's a 5-digit number and rest of them are 6-digit number. Then 82, sorry, this would be 28 and 27. Lastly, we have 17, 56 and 30. Adding them up, 62 adds 71 makes it 133. I put the dot over here. 133 x is 33. Moving to the next part, 33 at 27 makes it 60. 60 at 30 makes it 90. So I put down the 90 over here. Coming to the next column, 21 add 1, 22. 22 add 28 makes it 50. 50 add 50 makes it 106. So I put a dot over here, 106. 6 is x's part. I write zeros. Coming to the next column, 11 add 36 is 47. 47 add 4 is 51. 51 add 1 is 52. 52 add 17 makes it 69. So this is our final answer, 690,690. You are able to see how quickly I have done this addition method using Ekadhikena, Purvena, and Sunyanta. Now, this method is not only limited to these basic calculations, it is also useful in adding the sum of different units. For example, if I have to add dollars and cents together in a large amount, or if I have to add kilograms and grams in a larger amount. So let's take one application example of that and let's learn the method. So here is an application question. Let's see and let's learn. So I write kg, then a separate column for grams, 113,076. Now, why I'm writing a zero before 76? Because 1 kilogram holds 1000 grams. So I need three zeros, so three places. Similarly, 360 grams, sorry, 360 kilograms, then 87 grams, 284 kilograms, 92 grams, 179 kilograms, 870 grams. Let's add them. 76 add 87 makes it 150 plus 13, 163. I put dot over here, not to the kilograms column because we are going by two digit. Since it is kg and grams, I am writing it in the separation of 3 digits. Okay. So 76 add 87 makes it 163. Putting a dot over here, 63, taking the excess part, 63 ahead. 63 add 92 makes it 155. I put the dot over here, taking 55 ahead. 55 adds 70 makes it 125. I put the dot over here and write down the excess part, which is 25. Coming to the next column, 0 add 1 is 1. 1 add 0, 1. Add 1, 2. Add 0, 2. Add 1, 3. Add 11, add 8 makes it 11. Now, the sum total will exceed 1000. So I just write down the 1 over here and the excess 1 over here. Now, 1 plus 3, 4. we go by two digits. So 13 plus 1, 14. 14 adds 60, makes it 74. 74 add 84 makes it 158. So I put down the dot over here. 58 excess part. Moving ahead, 58 plus 79 makes it 50 plus 8 plus 70. So 120. And 8 plus 9 is 37. So 137. I put the dot over here and 37 as it is. Coming to the next column, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 add 1, 5. 5 add 2, 7. 7 add 1 is 8. 8 add 1 is 9. So our final answer is 937 kilograms, 125. So I hope you all learned and enjoyed through that method. Now, like, share, and subscribe to Shivaay Academia. Make it your way. I'll meet you in the next video and we will we will learn the next method in the series in Vedic Mathematics. Till then, take care of yourself. Press the bell icon to never miss an update. Jai Hind and Har Har Mahadev.